how can you tell if you're singing on key? How can you tell if you're singing on key? Ooh, that is a great question. Now, to be honest, right, the best way to kind of tell, and I know this is gonna be like the worst answer you've ever heard, right? It's gut feeling, intuition. You have to be able to feel it. You have to be able to feel it, right? But for some of you out there, you're probably like, man, but I don't know what it feels like. I really don't know what that feels like. The good news is you can build it. You can build that intuition of being able to sing on pitch. And it all starts with kind of little baby steps, right? Can you play a note? And match it. When I do match that, when I do match that particular pitch, right, I feel something like, for example, the vibrations are coming together. They're kind of clicking a bit nicer. So that's step number one. If you're trying to build that intuition with singing on pitch, right, you have to be able to match a pitch first. And that just comes from playing a note on a piano and seeing if you can match it. The thing you want to then do from there is there's two things you can do. But most likely, you want to see if you can do it from memory. See if you can match it from memory, right? Because that's going to start forcing you to get a better sense of what is the right pitch, even if you don't have a reference instrument, right? Just purely from this. Now, the final thing that you want to start doing, right, is you want to start increasing complexity. Maybe play a few more notes, right? And you want to repeat that same process. See if you can match the notes individually and match them more with the piano. And then see if you can also match it from memory. And that starts to help you build that feeling of intuition. And as I said, right, because music is all about harmony, right? Especially if you're playing with like an instrument. One of the things you're trying to do is see if you can fit your voice into those harmonies, right? And that has to come from a foundation of, number one, you have to be able to match pitch with an instrument. Two, you have to be able to match pitch with an instrumental. You have to match pitch from your memory. So number one, you have to be able to match pitch with an instrument. And second thing, you have to be able to match it from memory, right? That's how you start building that intuition. So when you sing a song, you're like, I got it. You start to get that feeling, right?
Yeah.